We just do hope that we'll see positive changes out of this.
It's been more than 2 years since Emily Harvey and the Disability Law Colorado team filed a complaint with the Department of Justice over the use of restraints and seclusion used by Douglas County schools. She says it's mostly used on kids with disabilities as a way to manage behaviors.
You know, a student is having behaviors related to their disability and they don't feel welcome or safe or comfortable, and so they act out, and then the response from the adult is to put them in a room by themselves and not let them come out, which is equivalent to solitary confinement in prison.
According to the 2022 case they filed, an 8-year-old student with special needs was put into a closet used as a calming room as many as 4 times a day, with the door held shut for up to 55 minutes at a time. Harvey says these practices happen around the state, including within Dougco schools.
We often hear about these practices where they're not calling it a seclusion room. They call it something like the calm down room or the quiet room or the blue room. In the situation that we knew about, seclusion was happening and the parent wasn't being told about it. And so that was concerning to us.
Emails obtained by 9 News show DOJ investigators are in town this week and requesting interviews with anyone involved.
A lot of families were planning to talk to the DOJ, from what I've heard. The investigation that they're conducting now is about seclusion and restraint, but also about disproportionate racial harassment and other things.
But the direction and scope of their investigation isn't clear.
It sounds like, based on the communications that went out last week, that they are seriously looking into all of those issues.
Harvey says the DOJ has taken up seclusion and restraint in schools before. She hopes they'll require Dougco schools ban those practices here, and that investigators will take a hard look at every complaint facing the district.
We're hoping, yeah.